What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Ortho Insect Killer. All right, this is for your lawn, you guys. It says it lasts up to 6 months at least. A lot of times with this stuff, you guys, I ain't gonna lie to you, it might not last up to 6 months. You might could get maybe like 3 months out of it or so. I always do like every season, so I'm always putting down some bug killer and stuff. This is just going to be like almost like an unboxing, but an unbagging. It says here, if watered in, allow area to dry before re-entering. That goes for your kids and your pets. All right, so with that being said, don't let the kids and pets play in the yard until the area is dry and clear. If you're somebody like me as well, I feed birds and stuff like that, so I will be putting the bird feeders up. And anyways, I gotta work on my garden anyway. So all right, so right here, this is our main thing that we're focusing on, is the grubs. We are trying to eliminate the grubs because I believe they destroyed my lawn last year. My lawn is not totally destroyed, but it has some patches in there where, you know, could have been from bugs, insects and stuff like that. And that's about it. This bag right here, I got it from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. It treats up to 16,500 square foot. So yeah, let's go ahead, put it in the spreader, enjoy the fun, and then I'll end the video. All right, you guys, so I am about to put this Ortho down, and first thing I want to say is wear your proper PPE. So if you can, get some long sleeves. You know me, I'm whatever with it, but long sleeves, long pants, goggles and stuff like that. I do have an edge guard right here, Scotch edge guard. This is a rotary. Now right here it says for the Scotch edge guard rotary, use 2 1/4 setting, 3 1/4 setting, or 4 1/2 setting. Now when you use those settings, you have to look up and it lets you know at 2 1/4 is 0.5 pounds, and then 3 1/4 is 1.2 pounds, and 4 1/2 is 2.3 pounds a square foot. All right, and then if you look at the weight, you gotta multiply or divide it by the weight. All right, so however many pounds a square foot, this is only a 10 pound, so you divide that. All right, and that's how you know how many pounds a square foot that you want to use on your lawn. All right, now with me, I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. So I am going to show y'all. Now I never used this Ortho before, so it's new to me as it is new to y'all. It's like thick and dusty at the same time. So when you do your settings on your rotary, so basically if you know your measures, you have 2, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 2 3/4, and then 3. 2 1/4 will use up 0.6 pounds 1,000 square foot. You divide that by the pounds of your bag, and then you know how much of the bag you will be using. But the bag says it's up to 16,000 square foot, but that's dependent on your usage. Let's go ahead and have some fun. So I did put the edge guard on, so it will block it from going into the neighbor's yard. And we are ready to go. We are at 2 1/4, so I'm gonna show y'all what this spread look like with 2 1/4. All right, here we go. So 2 1/4, you barely can see, right? I'm going to go 2 1/2. Now 2 1/2, a little bit comes out a little bit more. All right, we are going to kick it up to 2 3/4. So I'm going to bump it up to 3. 3 is definitely a sweet spot for me. I wish I could get y'all closer so y'all can actually see it. And as you can see, it's not using that much. All right, you guys, so I am going to show y'all one of the final results. So it has been a month, and we are going to check the grass and see if we find any bugs or anything. For the most part, like I said, we're trying to control the grubs, but Honestly, I did see mosquitoes, but I didn't treat the spot that I saw mosquitoes. All the way in the back corner over there, I'll show y'all. I did not treat with the Ortho, and I do have mosquitoes back there, so I'm not sure if this is supposed to stop the mosquitoes or not. I will look at this again to make sure to see if it lets you know what bugs it keeps out of your lawn. But we are going to walk the lawn real quick, double check, and then finalize the review. All right, you guys, we're walking the lawn. Don't really see no bugs. All right, no bugs. Do have some good spots that I could take care of as far as the lawn go. All right. Oh, I think I saw a mosquito. It's a regular, one of those flying bugs, you guys. So I am going to throw another patch down. Little moth. Y'all probably can't see it. I'm trying to get close to it. This is where I've seen a lot of mosquitoes. They're not here today, but it was a whole lot of them. So we are going to go ahead and wrap it up. All right, you guys. So I didn't see the mosquitoes. Maybe I must have ran them all away, but yeah, I am going to throw another load down. This will be the second treatment in 1 month. I believe they said you could do 2 treatments within, I forgot what they said. If I find it, I'll show it to y'all as far as putting 2 treatments down, and that will be it. If something happens, then I sacrifice my lawn for y'all. Other than that, you guys, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about this bug and insect killer, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.